Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends I am going to show you guys keypad mobile Nokia keypad mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to update date and time in Nokia keypad mobile. Friends, you want to update Nokia keypad mobile date and time. So friends, now let's see how to update Nokia mobile date and time one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. First of all friends, open your device phone setting, Nokia keypad mobile setting. We will on, and friends if you turn on call setting, so friends message setting, call setting, backlight setting, notification setting you can use. So friends, date and time setting you can use. If you select here time and language setting, date and time setting you can use in your Nokia mobile. Select your date and time setting, 24-hour clock you can on, and friends you can see your auto update setting is on. So friends you can see you cannot update your mobile date and time setting. You want to update your mobile date and time setting, first of all you will have to turn off auto update setting. After turn off, you can select time zone. You can change time zone in your Nokia keypad mobile. You can select and you can change time zone in your Nokia mobile. Time friends, now I will set here like 1 p.m. or 101 and 00 am pm. You can set am and you can set pm. Okay friends, after set time, now friends date. So friends I will set here 25 June 2023. Save. After save friends, your date and time will update. You can check notification, date and time updated. So like that friends, you want to update your mobile date and time, so you can update. And when time format you want to update, you want to use U24-hour format setting. So again open your phone setting, open your phone, time and language setting, date and time setting, use 24-hour clock setting on. After turn on friends, your time will not show 1 p.m, time will show 13 means 1 p.m, 14 means 2 p.m, and you want to use time in am and pm. Again open your phone setting, open your phone time and language setting, open your phone date and time setting, 24-hour clock setting off. After turn off, you can use time in am and pm. So like that friends, you want to update date and time in your keypad mobile, Nokia keypad mobile, you can update. Friends, again if you turn on your auto update setting, so friends you can see you can use your auto update time setting, and you cannot change time and date in your mobile. Friends, you can see we don't have time and date setting here. When you will turn off, then you can select time zone, time and date. You can use it. Phone language you want to update, so you can select language, you can update language, you can change language in your Nokia keypad mobile. Security setting you can use, storage setting, power saving mode you want to on, so you can on power saving mode in your Nokia keypad mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.